saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. We are preparing for the coldest camping trip we have ever done. And of course, I mean, seriously, Walmart, you definitely need to at least sponsor one video, one camping video, please. It'll probably be the most expensive camping video I ever make, but just one video. All right, so we are at my favorite section, the section that I usually like to come to without Sandy, because whenever I'm here with Sandy, everything I look at, it's a no.
It's not true.
It's true.
It's not true.
Let me buy a bow.
For what? Tell me for what?
To shoot things.
Like what? Exactly. Why don't we use this as a toilet?
Oh, it's a little cushion seat too. In all seriousness though, if you've been following the channel, you know that last time we purchased a set like this, and that set was nice and dandy. I don't know if they have it here, but the pan is like this big. But the problem with that is I'm kind of wanting to lean towards this. But if I buy this, then I have to buy all new pans. So the butane that we've been looking for was right here. I came 2-3 days ago, stocked all the way to the back. Now there's none. So this Walmart trip was not as effective as I needed it to be. Oh, look at this one though. This is 2.
That's huge.
But it's 2. All right, so after further investigation and after talking to Sandy, we've decided that maybe we're not ready for this whole thing, but I am gonna get this. She told me about this one. So apparently you push this button down and then fire will come out of there. Or is it?
No, it's not fire. It's just like a little line that happened right there.
I don't know. Sounds cool to me. It's 10 bucks. Why not? Also, we're buying one of these. The last time we tried to do hot chocolate in the morning, it was not hot chocolate. It was very not warm at all chocolate.
Oh. I was gonna say, do you know how this works? Ooh.
Maybe we'll pass. Yeah, we'll wash it. Look, okay, you guys need to go and look at the danger sign on these. I'm not even gonna put it on my channel because I know YouTube will demonetize me in seconds. It is frightening. It scared me. Just not gonna take part in it, okay? I like my life. You guys saw my last video and you guys saw how clumsy I actually am. It's not like a if that'll happen or that won't really happen. It's when that'll happen. No. And then I need a shovel. Okay, I do need a shovel. Sandy's gonna laugh. I need a shovel and I need an axe. We don't have a stand-up tent again. Oh, that sucks. Camping companies, where y'all at? I got a company sending me out seat covers. No camping love. All right, let's go find the camping stuff. We're messaging a person on Facebook right now. 20 bucks.
This is what I mean. Can someone tell me if we need this for camping?
Yes.
I don't know what this is for.
All right, well, not the most successful trip, but look, any Walmart trip that you do and you come out and there's an empty parking spot, that's an absolute win. But when you have an empty parking spot in a Supra, so I had an oopsie, so this thing's already broken. We'll try it out, we'll see how it works, but is it on?
I think you have to charge it first, which sucks. Oh!
Oh!
What was that?
Okay. We have to try this. Should we? Maybe we shouldn't try this right here. I'm not gonna put it too close to the lens, but that is so sick. I needed something. I talked about it in my last video. Do you remember what I was talking about that I threw away recently that I really needed? Guess what? We found one on Facebook. Oh, that was not closed all the way. So this thing is usually like 40 bucks. I could have sworn it was cheaper, but she had it on Marketplace for 40 bucks, and I was like, I'll pick it up for $20 right now. And well, she sold it. Oh! Jeez. Oh, this is so lit.
It has something else in here, baby. Oh, for the bottom, maybe?
No. I feel so bad for lowballing this lady now. Listen, Miss Lady, if you ever watch my videos, I'm so sorry. The last time I bought one of these off Facebook, it was dirty, rusty, and trash. And I feel bad I didn't lowball the last lady because I was like, all right, let's not lowball people. It has a rain fly. Come to the side window. Hey guys.
Oh, we're so gonna spy on you while you're using the bathroom. Hi.
Yo, this is actually so lit. Let's move before a car runs us over.
What were you about to say?
I don't know.
This is...
Oh, this is the best $20 I've ever spent in my entire life. Also, my dad has contributed to my camping gear. Stay tuned. That video, the camping video, is gonna come Wednesday. I haven't used one of these in a long time. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay, let me know down below in the comment section. You guys are gonna see this before I go camping. Let me know, do I need to buy charcoal to light this, or can I just use one log to cook my food, or should I use 2 logs? There's 6 of them in here. Let me know what you guys think is the best thing to do. So you know how I broke this when I first got it? Screw with the nut going through. We're gonna be going to one of these parks right over here. So in this area, let's see if you guys can guess it. Just guess the initials. So I'm not into the whole idea of camping in the woods just yet, like a real remote area, for 2 reasons. One, it's not just me, it's me and Sandy, so I have to be thoughtful of her. Secondly, it's me. Around me, woods, it's home to animals. You know, I was like, what are the chances of there being a bear or a fox or something around me? So being that we're on ground, that's a big no-no for me. Secondly, the spot that I was going to go camp at, it's a little trail, you get to off-road throughout the day, and then you set up camp at night. And I was really fond of that idea. So I reached out on Facebook, hey, how is it? How was it? The weekend I decided to go. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna have fun. It's gonna be a blast. This guy on Facebook was like, me and my buddy were out there, and it was around 9 or 10 o'clock. We heard some shuffling in the woods, so we look out. We try to see what it is. He said that he couldn't see anything, so he disregarded it. About an hour or 2 pass of silence, he says, so I'm not sure what happened. It continues, and this time it's louder. So he puts on his little headlamp, and he rolls down his little window, and there was a bear. So I told Sandy, for now, especially just because I'm getting into this whole camping scene, I definitely want to start off small. This thing has my credit card and my debit card saved. Vehicles, 1, pets, other, number of pets, 4. Super excited, and we are gonna end the video there. So if you guys watched all the way to the end, if you enjoyed, I hope you did. Please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. There's gonna be a shirt linked down below. 2. I don't think the other one has sold yet. 2 shirts. I'll post them on screen now. It's been your boy. I'm Outy like an Outy. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.